On the off chance that you are inexperienced with all the intricate details of member showcasing, it will be very useful for you in the event that you did some examination. While this can be an extremely worthwhile chance, there are a few odds of losing more than you gain. Monitoring the whole procedure must be something beneficial for you. Members with websites ought to keep their perusers educated consistently. Sites commonly have routinely refreshed substance, and in this way they get repeating guests. Make an asset page for your guests with the goal that they can without much of a stretch check and discover old substance on the off chance that they are keen on knowing more. Try not to attempt to deceive your perusers by concealing your monetary stake in your connections. Your guests are utilized to associate advertising, and they realize that you are running a blog or web page so as to procure cash. Tell them that you will bring in cash from the connections that they click on. They will be bound to feel free to click, on the off chance that you are forthright with them. Know the crowd that you are attempting to lure. Mull over why they are going to your site and what they are keen on. Ensure that the partner items that your site is offering to them give an answer for your guests' issues. Keep with the subject of your site. As a major aspect of your web promoting plan, consider incorporating an unexpected complimentary gift with each buy you transport out. This complimentary gift need not be especially important. It could be a marked limited time thing or surplus stock you have to dispose of. The shock is the significant thing. An unexpected complimentary gift will make clients reconsider you and urge them to return and purchase once more. An incredible way you can give off an impression of being reliable to your crowd in article showcasing is to utilize tributes on your site or inside your articles. Tributes from genuine clients show that the item or administration you're promoting is really compelling and can help individuals to improve things on the off chance that they just buy the item. Without constant information, you can't adapt soon enough which connections or advertisements are beneficial. Ensure that any member program you think about ideas as a safe site with 24-hour access to ongoing insights. This information will show which various suggestions, techniques, content connections and pennants are working and which aren't. This issues considerably more on the off chance that you do web-based publicizing with projects, for example, Google AdWords, as this data may prevent or keep you from squandering cash. Before engaging with a specific partner program, test the items before you begin advancing them. Do examine about the items that you are thinking about to ensure that they will be something that your intended interest group will be keen on purchasing and will come back to purchase something more. As the start of the article expressed, it is significant that you do your examination on offshoot showcasing. Ensure that you completely see each part of it before you endeavor to make any speculations into anything. On the off chance that you have any questions about anything, at that point it is best that you not take an interest. Click the link in the description for more information.